Hello guys, how are you? Hope so you all are fine. Because the new version of Delta Executor for Android, 32-bit is finally released. Safe, smooth, easy, and user-friendly GUI makes it at the top of exploits and executors. This is fully undetected and is ready to use. The time I am editing this video, the Executor has just been dropped. Well, I have also given scripts for you guys in description, and I'm going to showcase the fruit spawner script, OMG. I am so excited to show you guys the one and only fruit spawner script. Well, write your usernames in comments if you want a free dragon fruit. Bye, and thank you so much for your support.